Yes. Now let's see. Hmm, First of all, let me tell you one thing. First of all, here I have a one capstone project. I created one capstone project in Firebase console. Uh, in this Firebase console, I created one web app. Like when I created this symbol, it asked me for a name. I gave a skill swap web app, then I clicked next. So now here is my web app, and I also enabled the Firestore database in my web app, and there is an authentication that the users who are trying to log in or sign up using my email, they have the access to this app. So I gave authentication as email or password. So now let's see as our code. Actually, my project is nothing but skill swap project. Skill swap project is nothing but sometimes in this nowadays I have my skills. I need to learn a new skill. In the same way, the others need to learn a new skill from me, and they have their own skills to educate others. In this case, in my app, they can offer the skill and they can request the skill, so they can approach the required members or prescribed members easily. So first of all, I'll start with my index.html. Here is my index.html file. This is the basic file. There is nothing but the basics. Here I gave some css for my page actually, and in this I have one container, like one div class, like one box. In this there are two links, one is for login and one is for sign up. Whenever I click on login, it this auth login is nothing but it redirects to the login.html. Otherwise, if I click on sign up, it redirects to the sign up page. So in this login.html, in the same way I have some css for it. Here as it here let me tell you, in this I use post method. Actually the post method is used, the method can be of two types, get and post. If we use get, the url contains the data, it is not that secure, so I used a post so that it is well secured for the users. I gave one placeholder, like I gave one input file and there is a password for it. They can enter the password. After submitting it, the login can be quite. In the same way for sign up, and this is the dashboard, this is the board, this is the place where the users can write the offer the skill and they request the skill, and in the bottom I gave a box so that they can easily see that whether their skill is offered or requested. Actually I gave some comments so that I can easily understand form to offer a skill. First they gave a id, and later I gave a text box where I can offer my skill. Same way in the request, I told you that I gave a table so that it consists of the headings, table heading, email, offered skills, requested skills. Actually here in this I use a JavaScript because whenever I click on the, actually I use a next button also. Whenever I click on this next button, it shows all the skills that are present in my skill swap platform who are logged in. Here I used a fetch skills. That means whenever the user try to offer the skill, then they are, it's stored in the database and they can populate it in the table easily. Actually here the library that I used is offer skill form in this, and the here I use JSON file. In all skills.html it is nothing but thus all the skills are identified in the same page. Like here I used fetch all skills function so that they can easily fetch the skills based upon their email or login from the database. Actually let me tell you, if there is any error it should print error fetching all the skills. The email should be of the same name of the user that has been logged, and a user dot offer dot join means the by which of a skill the user has joined. This way all skills, this is all about my front end. Let me tell you back end. I said that Whenever I click auth's login, it is redirected to login. Whenever I click on sign up, it is redirected to sign up. It is because of this. This is the server. This is backend that I used. Actually, these are all the things that I needed to install, I needed for it. Actually, whenever the sign up, whenever I click the sign up, it is the get one. Here I used get because whenever I click the sign up, it should get the sign up page. Here post, that means whenever I click some email or password, it should store the data. In the same way for login, whenever I click the get, here it is get page. That means it should open the login page. Here whenever I click the post, it is nothing but going into the mail and password is stored. Dashboard.js, that means I told you that the dashboard, in the bottom I should fill the skills that user entered, that can be come by, this is the skills that is the created in my file store database. From that, whether the skill that is stored in my database can be acquired. Here is some css. Here are the details of my particular app. This is whenever I created my app, this is the firebase configuration that I got. This is the service account key actually I used in my uh, this service account key that has generated by my project. This is the package.json, and this is all about it. Let's run. I'll open new terminal. I installed earlier all the required things, like let me show you. This is the one that I installed because these are the things that I need. Just now we simply run the thing. Yep, it is saying that the server is running on the port 3000. Let me open my Chrome. Actually my Chrome is filled up with all the files, I think so. Okay, let's open the http. Yes, this is my app name that I have given. Select skill swap. Yep, I use the container for it, div class, so that it came something like this. So now I'll sign up with any name like uh, head. I use something like head at the rate, sorry, my bad, gmail.com. Yep, my password would be, yes, sign up. Yes, it redirected to login page so that I can log in. Mm, I used many names for checking. These logins, these mails are not at all in use also. Okay, yes. Okay, you can see that here is the thing that where I can offer my skill. Here where I can request my skill. Here, see, here is my username. That means my email. Here are the skills that I offered will enter. Like I know web development, so I'll go for web development. Offer skills. Here, see, whenever I clicked on offer, the offered skills would become web development. The requested skills, I need to learn more about machine learning, so I'd go for it. Yep, request skill. Yes, requested skill has machine learning. Next. Yes, this is my all skills.html. I use many mails, no matter. Actually, nothing are in use except my college mail. Let me tell you here. Yep, web development machine learning. From here, the users can see, and actually, I am in use of machine learning. So, if anyone has offered machine learning skills, no. So there is no use. But in requested, someone are requesting for the web development, so I can teach them the web development, but I am not getting machine learning. But maybe in future someone can offer this machine learning course so that they can easily mutually contact each other by the mail that I have provided here, so that they can easily get. So this is all about my app. And let me show you whether the data is stored in the firebase.console or not. Yeah, this is my firestore database. First I'll show you authentication. Yes, here header at the rate the gmail.com. This is the Gmail that I now used. And in this firestore database, let's check whether the skill has been updated or not. Actually, I used many things. Let me check where it has. Let me check at the last. No, dude, where has it been? These are the mails that you have seen before, right? In all user skills. In the same way, there would be my yep. Here it is, the head at the rate gmail.com. The thing that I have offered is web development. Uh, let me check. Yes, here it is. Head at the rate gmail.com, machine learning requested. So these are the things that I have done. This is about my project, and these are the things that I have been learned in my journey, and it's been great to learn all these things. Actually, the Node.js is the thing that helps us, that is really helpful for the backend, because JavaScript is good, but whenever it comes to the server side, it cannot perform well. So whenever we use the things like Node.js or Express.js, it is really good to, and it has more efficiency. And the things that I learned more in this is routes, that how we can redirect to the other pages, just not by simply using HTML pages, but there is a server side. And databases that I learned really a lot, database collections. And these are the things that I learned so far. Yes, this is all.